to my channel. Today we'll be doing our morning routines, but if you guys are new to my channel, I'm not telling you my name because I just don't want to. If you guys are new here, my channel is named My Little Star. I do Toca videos, lots of the internet, and yeah, and the tweet. The family's sleeping right now, and it is 6:11 a.m. So I hope you guys have a good night, and I'll see you in the morning. So it is the morning, guys, and I have to get the kids ready for school, even though they're not on summer break. Number 2, before I go upstairs and we put the kids, you guys will be wondering why I have one extra bed. That one extra bed is for the next video. Yeah, so I'm just close that. I try to put it into now. Let's see, we have swimsuit because we have to pull it at home. So, it's not this boat, but even. So I gotta go with the kids and make breakfast. So let's press the button. Okay, so we are here now, and I gotta go with this. And we got feeling. Yeah, hi Mom, what is it? It's the morning, go get ready for school.
What you think? Is you know that your friends left too? Oh. You embarrass me? Oh, yes. Don't turn away. Make your kids look too.
Savannah's gonna go downstairs, sit down, and so she's gonna go downstairs.
You know, if for some reason
And then I gotta wake up the kids I think Honey is leaving on John. I tried to wake up them, but they won't stay awake, so I just tap under her and then really wake up. Mom, why don't I have to wake up so early? Just put my clothes. He wakes up, putting his clothes.
So the carry-on will have like a direct change of clothes from one to the next, right?
So I tried to bring them downstairs.
And then the check-in will have like the rest of the stuff. You know which filler, right?
And then once
That way our total
I tell them to go on the table. And to do, I have to wake
Or
up the
something
baby.
like
Unveiled. So I wake up the baby. And then I was getting breakfast ready. I didn't know what they wanted to eat, but before I had after morning coffee, I had to make something for the kids. So I wanted to make some bacon for them. I got some bacon and also some eggs.
But at the same time, it's kind of weird because they weren't really
And then I put the bacon on a plate and put it in a bowl. And then I cook.
Or you can convert Yep. And then I put the cake away. Ready?
I told
You ready for my kisses?
to come here.
Okay. Someone's busy.
And I was like, no, I didn't order that, and here I am.
I thought you just said that you wanted to eat my kisses.
Ready.
Well, you didn't answer me.
And then came down with the water bottle. I gave her a, and I had to feed the baby. I just gave the baby some water. I had to feed the baby. I don't know what type of food.
Yeah, I don't know, man. Like one thing after the other, the family. I was like, shh.
So
Dude, one thing after the other.
the baby.
Holy hell! How do you?
So they were eating their breakfast, and I was just hanging out. Hey John, do you know what's gonna happen today? No. okay? Okay. But if I keep complimenting you, that means I don't like you. Guys, stop fighting. And if you say so, I say so. So you gotta listen to me. I'm the leader of you. No, you're not. Yes, I am. I am totally the leader of you. How can you be the leader of me? You don't even know how to cook. Yes, but you could be my servant. No, I can't. Yes, you can. Is it like I'm a tutorial or something? So, duh. And when you come back, you better do what I say. Or else, no. I'm telling Mom. Okay then, I'm just gonna ignore you for the whole thing at kindergarten. Guys, I said stop fighting. No, we're not gonna stop fighting, not until, because I'm the leader. You the leader? Yeah. I am. I'm between this reading was at 11 p.m. That was yesterday. In between. I didn't even like him that much. Like him that much. When you come back, Missy, I am stealing your iPad. Wait, actually, I'm sorry. Haha, that's what you get. Stop it, you guys. Okay. Now go in your plates. Now it's my turn. No, it isn't. Guys, what is happening? No, it isn't. It is my turn. I want to go first. No, give me that toothbrush. No. Stop it. This is mine. Missing Well, nobody sits on there.
Sweden, Australia? I don't think that's.
Just don't sit on there.
Oh, it sounds like a Disneyland.
Okay.
Where's the rabbit?
Well, I guess that's done. Okay, Mom, I'm ready to go to school. You are? Yep, totally. We are ready to go to school. Okay, have fun. Bye. Bye. So guys, that is all for today. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, follow for more on maybe every Saturday. Maybe I may post every day because I just want you guys to see my internet on my channel and yeah. So make sure to go follow me on TikTok or YouTube. Those are the only places where you can follow me. So bye guys.